Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty author and welcome to my quilting room. Today is Sewing Talk Tuesday. We're going to talk about all the projects that we've been working on in the craft room for the last week and upcoming projects for this week. And so we're just going to kind of jump in and get started on this. So last week was kind of a crazy week as I was preparing for a baby shower, and I did share, if you follow me on Instagram or even in Facebook or my private Facebook group, I posted photos of what I made for the baby shower, and I made these adorable little baby pants. They're like baby leggings, and I'll post a picture of them right here so that you can see them because they're so adorable. I made them with my serger. It took probably about 10 or 15 minutes to make them, and they are so stinking cute. The pattern is free, and it is patterns for pirates. And so I'll link down below to it so you can see it, but I will also do a tutorial on it if you would like me to. So if you want me to do a tutorial on them, then just comment down below that yes, you'd like to see that. They also have patterns for grown-ups. So I was thinking about making myself a pair, so we shall see. That might be tricky. But anyway, lots and lots of fun. I had a great time doing it, and they turned out adorable, and I made matching little headband bows to go along with it. And so, and the new mom loved it. Her favorite was the avocado pants, which who doesn't love avocados, right? They're super cute on fabric. So anyway, the other thing that I did was I made a ribbon tutu. This is a miniature size. This was just a little mock-up of what I made for that. But I actually made a ribbon tutu that was all full and all around, and that was made for the baby. And we put it on a diaper cake, and it was super cute, and put Minnie Mouse on it. So turned out really cute. I'm currently using it on my Scentsy Go, my little air freshener here in my craft room. So super cute though. I love it. So anyway, that was what I worked on that way. And then I have cut 4 pieces of fabric here. And again, I have my serger out. So I've been playing with my serger and I love it. I forgot how much I love playing with my serger, but I do. So just been messing around with that, and also my Coverstitch machine, which I need to pull out. Maybe I'll do that when we do the leggings, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is going to be like a Halloween trick-or-treat bag, and so I'm going to be working on that. I'll post pictures of that when I'm finished with it, and we'll do that. And then also I wanted to show you, so don't make the same mistake I made. So last week we made this really beautiful breast cancer ribbon. We made the angel, and because I have this tri-stand that I want to showcase on here, so it fell off, which is fine. But this is the angel that we did, and as you can see, I just want to show you that this happens to the best of us, okay? So I was way too busy and I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing when I cut this out. And as you can see, it's way too far up at the top. It should have been down lower. So just pay attention to what you're doing. That's the moral of the story today, because clearly I was not, and now my angel is all the way up at the top. But it's going to be fine. It's fine for me. So what we're going to do tomorrow, because I'm going to be doing an embroidery video on Wednesday, is we are going to finish making these breast cancer ribbons, because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. October is, and I'm going to sit here and play with this thing all day. I'm just telling you that now. Anyway, so I will show you which patterns we're going to do. I'm going to keep it very, very simple so that it doesn't take a long time to stitch out, because I want to show you how I put this together. We're going to stitch out this ribbon right here, and we are also going to stitch out these survivors right here. And we are going to do that. This is an OESD pattern. So if you are looking for this pattern to do that, it's a very simple pattern, yet beautiful. But I figured it would be nice to do something and display it right here for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Make sure you get your mammograms because it's important to get them checked. We do not want anybody to go, you know, untreated. So that's my friendly advice for the day. And I need to take my own advice because I'm due for mine as well. So it's a good thing we're doing this. It's a great reminder. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this cool box that I got from Cricut. I bought it from Cricut. Cricut was having some really good sales this morning, so I purchased a bunch of coffee mugs for my mug press. They actually had the 15-ounce coffee mugs, the big ones, in a bundle. And I picked up 36 of them for $63 plus free shipping. So I figured with the holidays coming up, I'm really going to need those. So I'll grab it. All right. So here is what is in the box. And to be perfectly honest with you, I don't really remember what is in this box. This is called a Cricut mystery box. Cricut releases these like every so often, mostly like once a month. They will release a Cricut mystery box. It can be a digital mystery box with like licensed items in them. Like you've seen me make the Hello Kitty stuff with my Cricut, and you've seen me do the Harry Potter. I have a whole bunch. I have Disney, the Mickey Mouse, Frozen. I have a bunch of licensed products through Cricut. And the nice thing is that once you buy them, they're yours forever. So anyway, so Cricut Mystery Box comes out once a month. And every now and then they'll include a collectible little cutie. And I've shown these to you before, but I will show it to you now. This is really why I bought this, because I collect these little Cricut cuties now, and I didn't have this color. Oh, he's so cute, you guys. He's so cute. I have to put these way up high because my grandsons love to play with them. Aren't they cute? The little Cricut bug. So, like I said, I didn't have this color. So this is sky blue. And I think he's a dog. So anyway, yes. Fun stuff. If you're interested in any of the Cricut stuff that I'm going to show you, the links are down below in the description box. I am a Cricut affiliate, so if you make a purchase through any of my links that have a star next to them, those are affiliate links, and I do make a really tiny little small commission on that. So I got another knife, which is great. I use this all the time. You see me use it all the time. I'm glad I needed one of those. Okay. Another ruler. This is terrific. These come in so handy. I use these Cricut rulers all the time for quilting. This is premium vinyl holographic threads. Look at how beautiful that is. And you can like make projects with this. So like for me, what I would use this for is like maybe a background on a shadow box, or, you know, or maybe even putting it on the glass of the shadow box to make it just kind of pop. You know, I'd put a bright color behind that. This is Cricut Premium Vinyl. You can, this is showing how you can make designs for your phone case. So the sky is really the limit with the Cricut vinyl. Honestly, I use it all the time. You saw me do it with the quilt journals. They just come in so handy. Here's some premium vinyl. So this would make another really beautiful quilt journal. And you can see that you get 2 of each sheet in there of these patterns. I wish I could see it. And this is actually Natalie Milan. That's the designer, just so you can see there. So, very pretty. And again, here's some Strong Bond patterned iron-on. I use this. I used some of this iron-on when I made the baby onesies on the shirt, the little onesie shirts that I just showed you a couple weeks ago. I used patterned iron-on for that. So you can use it for whatever you'd like. Permanent glitter. I love permanent glitter. Okay. So again, you could do something and make it for your car window, or you could do, again, you could jazz up your phone case with this stuff. This is a beautiful color. You could actually use this also in a shadow box. You could use it on your Cricut machine or a sewing machine if you wanted to decorate your sewing machines. I haven't done that yet. I'm surprised I haven't, because everything in my craft room pretty much has Hello Kitty all over it, because you know I'm a big Hello Kitty fan. So, and then this is the premium vinyl removable mat. So this comes off a little easier. You can do beautiful signs on your wall, like lettering and wording. So like I have the word family on my wall. I have love. I have an infinity design, and you can do that with this. And it doesn't take the paint off of your walls. It's just a nice way to add decor to your home. And then more washable markers. So these are washable fabric pins. I guess I should say the right thing. I use these all the time, and I find them to be very, very good. So if you are looking for something like this, these are fantastic. So that is really it. Oh, right. One more thing. T-shirt quilt. We're going to finish it this week. I need to get the borders put together and quilted, and we are going to personalize it on the embroidery machine. I'm going to show you how I do that, so that if you're interested in doing something like that for your own, you can. It's fun, it's beautiful, and I think that you're going to love it. So if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to share it, that's great, because sharing is caring. Don't forget to click that little notification bell. You get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And stay warm and keep on crafting. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.